the fun fair. When I was little, my mummy and daddy took me and my friend Angel to a fun fair. Wolly came too. Inside it was very, very big. Inside it was very, very noisy. I've never been to a fun fair before. Angel liked the fun fair. Angel was excited. Lights flashed. Roundabouts went round and round. Chairs flew up in the air. People were bounced up and down. Noises came from everywhere.
Right, girls, what ride do you want to go on first?
Angel wanted to ride on everything.
Who wants to go on the alligators?
Me, shouted Angel. Mummy took Angel on the alligator. I watched with Daddy. The alligator whooshed and whooshed. Angel squealed. Angel loved the alligator. It was very, very noisy. Who was riding the dodgems? Said Mummy. Me, shouted Angel. I didn't want to ride in the dodgems. They were too noisy. Mummy took Angel on the dodgems. The music went boom, boom, boom. The dodgems bumped and bashed. I didn't like the dodgems. Angel loved the dodgems. Angel wanted to go on the teacups next.
You want to go home, Tig? I know. Let's go and wait in the cafe for Mum and Angel.
Daddy took me to a little cafe.
There's your juice, Tig.
I wanted to go home. Hey, Tig, fun fairs are noisy. Fun fairs worry me too. I never know where the noises are coming from. Music, squeals, whizzing and whirls. I never know which way to look next. Hey, Tig, fun fairs are fun places and you can have fun here too. I like to know where all the different noises are coming from. Doof, doof, doof. Look, that's the rock and roll music from the dodgems. Wee, woohoo, way! Those squeals are from the flying chairs. Honk, honk, ting, ting, diddly, beep, bob, zob, zob, ding, ding, wee, wee. That's the little roundabout. The glittery, clattery noises is the cup and saucer. Hey, Angel's having fun. That dancey music is from the carousel roundabout with the horses. So now you know where the noises come from. Have fun. What's first? Doof, doof, honk, honk, diddly ding, woo, woo. Now I knew what all the noises were. I want to have fun. Can I go on the roundabout, Daddy? Honk, honk. I went on the honk, honk roundabout with Angel. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. We went on lots more rides, but best of all was the carousel. When the man saw Wolly, he said, "Oh!" "He's only my toy spider," I said. And off we went. I like riding on the carousel. I like the fun fair. I love Wolly. We've been scared since we were wee. Excited. When I was little, I went to a festival. Wolly came too. The festival was like a long fairy tale land. Some people were still like statues. A man floated. A mermaid smiled. A man was so still. A seagull sat on his hat. I was excited. Ooh, there's a noise like a vacuum cleaner. The man blew a big bag and played a tune. I did a wee dance.
Very good.
I was all excited and bubbly inside. There was a man in the middle of the street. The man juggled. The juggling man asked Daddy to hold the ladder. Then the juggler climbed the ladder and juggled. Everywhere, everyone was so excited. People dancing, people singing. But the most exciting thing of everything was my friend Angel. Angel was there too. I was so excited. I wanted to cry and laugh. I wanted Angel to bubble like me. I hugged Angel hard. But Angel wasn't excited. Mummy said, "Calm down, Tig." Mummy took me to listen to a lady playing music. I don't want to listen to the lady.
I think we're all getting a little bit overexcited.
I wanted to be excited. Mummy was spoiling the fun. Hey, Tig. Mummy's not spoiling the fun. Mummy is a bit worried, that's all. It's fun being excited, but it's no fun being too excited. Being too excited is like bubbling over. Being too excited is like not knowing whether to laugh or cry or jump up and down. Being too excited can be scary. Scary for everyone. Being too excited can make the magic go away. So sometimes when you are bubbling up with excitement, it's fun to stop for a moment. Be still as a statue. It's magic and fun for everyone. So go for it, Tig. Have an exciting or magic time. Yes, I thought. I like to be excited, but I don't want to bubble over.
Well done, Tig. You seem a lot calmer now. Come on, let's go and have some fun.
I had fun being a statue. Angel played statues too. We were very still. A lady as still as a statue saw Wolly. She moved. It's only a toy spider. It's only my toy spider, I said. I like exciting magical days. I like bubbling inside. And I love Wolly. We've been scared since we were wee.
Tig,
Fireworks.
you got Wolly?
When I was little, I went to watch fireworks. We went to Timmy's house. Wolly came too. Timmy had a garden. At the end of Timmy's garden was a park. We were going to watch the fireworks in the park. Is she really be doing the fireworks? Timmy was very excited about the fireworks. I wasn't excited. I didn't like fireworks. Timmy had animal masks. He ran around whooping. I had a cat mask. I went meow. I like playing at Timmy's. Mummy was excited about the fireworks.
I think everyone's getting a little overexcited about the fireworks.
I wasn't excited about the fireworks. But I like playing at Timmy's. We did painting. We painted firework pictures with big bangs and whooshes. I like the firework pictures, but I didn't like fireworks.
Go!
We played funny games. We played blow the grapes.
Go Tig, go Tig.
Over your hands!
Tig.
We played bite the jammy scone.
Right, that's the game. Reasons to eat them.
We played pop the raisin bag. The bag went bang, like a firework. I didn't like fireworks, but I liked eating the raisins. The fireworks didn't start until it was dark. When we waited for the dark, Daddy told us a story. Daddy told the story of the 3 bears.
Once upon a time, there was a little girl called Bernard.
Daddy, look!
Oh,
Daddy got the story of the 3 bears all wrong.
and she started to eat the bears' cabbage soup.
Porridge!
Oh, right, porridge, right. When the 3 bears came back in, they caught Goldilocks, and she was watching the television.
She was sleeping in the 3 bears' bed.
Oh, is that what it was? Right.
Silly Daddy.
Now. I know, Dad's really silly, isn't he?
Then it was dark. Time for the fireworks, said Mummy. I want to play hide and seek, I said, and hid under the table. Everyone was excited about the fireworks.
Come on, Tig! You make us all late.
I wasn't excited. I didn't like fireworks. I was scared of fireworks. Hey, Tig, just because everyone else isn't scared of fireworks doesn't mean that you can't be scared. Fireworks scare me. The bangs, the flashes and the whizzes. Fireworks scare lots of animals. Dogs and cats hate fireworks. So when the fireworks start, the best place for animals is indoors. So maybe when the fireworks start, the best place for you and me is indoors too. Then the fireworks won't seem quite so scary. And then we can look after each other. So go for it, Tig. Tell everyone that you don't want to watch the fireworks outside. It's too scary. Yes, I thought. I'll tell Mummy and Daddy and Timmy that I don't like fireworks. Don't worry, Tig. No worries, said Timmy. We can watch from the window. So we did. And I cuddled Wolly. Watching the fireworks from inside was fun. The fireworks whizzed and whooshed and painted the sky. When my toy spider heard a big bang, he jumped. It's only a firework, Wolly, I said. I like fireworks, and I love Wolly.